Fourth, ethics, integrity, and aptitude. This paper will include the question to test the candidate attitude and approach to the issues relating to integrity, probity in public life, and his problem solving approach to various issues and conflict faced by him in dealing with the society. Questions may utilize the case to study approach the determinants of these aspects. The following broad areas will be covered. पहला है ethics and human interface. Essence, determinants, and consequences of ethics in human actions. Dimension of ethics. Ethics in private and public relationships. Human values. Lesson from the lives of teachings of great leaders, reformers, and administrators. Role of family, society, and education institution in inculcating values. Attitude. Content, structure, function, its influence, and relation with the thoughts and behavior, moral and political attitudes, social influence, and persuasion. Aptitude and foundation values of civil services: integrity, impartiality, and non partisanship, objectivity, dedication to the public service, empathy, tolerance, and compassion towards the weaker section of the society. Emotional intelligence concept and their utilities and application in the administration and governance, contribution the moral thinkers and philosophers from the India and the world. Public service, public or the civil service values and ethics in public administration, status and the problems, ethical concern and dilemmas in the government and private institution, laws, rules, regulations, and conscience as a source of ethical guidance, accountability, and ethical governance, strengthening of ethical and the moral values in the governance, ethical issues in international relation and funding, corporate governance, probity in governance, concept of public services, philosophical basis of governance and probity, information sharing and transparency in government, right to information, code of ethics, code of conduct, citizen charters, work culture, quality of service delivery, utilization of public fund, challenges of corruption, case studies on above.